Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your LG TV is already online. You need a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet link. Next, obtain the DNS addresses you plan to use, primary then secondary, so you won't pause mid-setup. Using your remote, go straight to Settings, choose Network, then Advanced Settings. This is where you switch from automatic to manual DNS. Once past that choice, make sure to keep the remote handy and the DNS numbers visible on another device, so you can enter them correctly. Now you change the network configuration from automatic to manual so you can input DNS. Select Manual IP Configuration, then tab to DNS and type the primary address digit by digit. After that, enter the secondary DNS. Take a moment to confirm there are no extra spaces or swapped numbers. Typos are common. Once both addresses are entered, save the settings. Then, restart the TV. A quick reboot ensures the new DNS resolves properly, and apps begin using the new lookup path. Finish by verifying the change. Open streaming apps or the browser and check that content loads faster or without errors. That proves DNS is working. If something fails, recheck the DNS entries for typos, then reboot both the router and the TV. Sometimes cache or router DNS overrides persist. If problems continue, try an alternate public DNS to rule out provider issues, and as a last resort, reset network settings on the TV. Make a note of working DNS values so you can restore them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.